It's time for Hot Coffee with me, Woodchuck Chumley. That's right, I said hot coffee. And when I say hot, you know I mean hot. And when I say coffee, you know I mean coffee. A big steaming mug of black coffee. I'm not talking about tea. I'm not talking about bottled water. I'm talking about coffee. Hot coffee, not iced. Who puts ice in their coffee? That's just stupid. If you are a coffee connoisseur, you know the only way to enjoy coffee is when it's steaming hot. Smell that steam. Just let that drift up your nostrils. Those of you who have nostrils, smell that coffee. That'll clear your sinuses, if you know what I mean. Oh, yeah. There's one thing you have to remember when you're dealing with hot coffee. You can't just pour it down your throat like honey or molasses. You'll hurt yourself, because it's hot. Some folks like to dip their tongue in to see if it's cool enough to drink. Not me. I value my tongue too much to risk it in a fresh cup of hot coffee. I take that coffee and I blow on it instead. A few strategically placed blasts of cool air from my parched throat, and this baby is ready to drink. But half the fun of hot coffee is the sense of anticipation. When I need my hot coffee, I need it. I need it bad. But if I force myself to wait, oh, it's just a little more delicious. I get jittery just thinking about it. Anticipation. That's the name of the game. If you learn how to do that, you'll be able to truly savor the exotic thrill of hot coffee. Sometimes I think it ought to be illegal. Hot coffee is what keeps me going. Those long, lonely nights at the GRR studios, editing copy, practicing my delivery, occasionally making up news stories from whole cloth. I couldn't do any of it without hot coffee. It's the hot thing to do and the coffee way to do it. Just look at it, sitting there, waiting for me to just pick it up and drink it. I can hardly stand it. Why, hello, Bean. Look, everyone. It's Bean, one of the presidential candidates. How nice of you to drop by.
Wouldn't miss it for the world.
Bean, let me ask you a personal question. Are you into hot coffee?
Am I? You need to ask?
Purely formality, I assure you. So, how do you take your hot coffee?
I like mine with a little sugar.
Interesting.
Shall we?
I think we should. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna drink all that hot coffee. To hot coffee.
To hot coffee.
This coffee has been rated M for by the Edible Stuff Ratings Board. Actually, this is pretty vile.
Yeah, it's cold too.